Hello, hi. So this is the third invariant of the buy and sell problem statement uh, on lead code. So in last video, I have solved the second invariant of this problem where I have told you intuition about it. So I will apply the same intuition here. Uh, a little bit twist here, like in formula, we need to just uh, hold another variable for the like to track the when we have like sell last time. Okay, so that we can use that variable to apply the cooldown period. Okay, so let's just jump into the problem and solve it. So if you ever remember that, uh, if you have watched my last video, then you can relate it. If you haven't watched, then go and watch first, then you will able to understand it. So, so I will tell you like in short way. For this problem, if you see the like we are allowed to do the multiple transaction. We can do we can complete as many transaction as we like, but there is a condition. Condition is like after you sell a stock, you can't buy on next day. Means that it's a cool down period. Means you if you are selling just sell yesterday, then you can't buy today. You have to buy tomorrow. So think of instead of thinking this way, if we think whatever the cash we have yesterday, we can't use today, right? Yes, we don't know how the cash, whatever the cash we have yesterday, it can be either like selling the yesterday or we just hold it, right? So we need to track the previous cash means yesterday before yesterday, right? So we need to maintain another variable, so let's define it. So it is, let's define a cash, whatever the cash initially we have 0 and whatever the holding we have. So initially we have holding of the day 0 price. Okay, and let's define another variable previous prep cash, which is already 0. Start from day 1 and till last one. Price is top length I plus plus. So at first I need to hold cache, need to add here hold cache is equal to cache. Then I have to update here. I am applying the same formula at end of any day. I will first find out what is the maximum profit, maximum cash we can make at end of any day by holding yesterday cash, or if we sell the one stock that we have hold. Means if we sell today, then what the maximum profit we can make, or let me just define it. Means whatever the cash we have yesterday and whatever the holding we have yesterday, we are selling today. If let's suppose we are selling today, okay. So whatever the price we have today, we get it, right? And selling today, whatever the holding we have. Also need to update the holding math dot maximize the holding plus whatever cash we have yesterday. But suppose we whatever the cash we have yesterday, we can't use that due to this condition. Means if you sell the stock, we you can't buy stock on next day. So next day is cool down. So if you think about the day 1, day 2 and day 3, so for day two cash, which is the yesterday cash, you can't use that for buying stock for today. You can use before it. So we need to maintain that's why I am maintaining define another variable which is previous cache. Okay, we need to utilize that. Whatever the previous cache we have, we are utilizing to buy more stock on current day prices. We need to just subtract it, buying it, buying today, buying today. Okay. Also need to update it, right? Previous cache. Previous cache is equal to old cache, right? At end of just return the cache we have made so far in la. Let's run it. Okay. I have to make it correct. Okay. My mistake. Math.max. I just calling the only class. I need to call the methods, right? Okay. So let me just submit it. Yeah. So this is accepted. So if you see from last problem which I had solved in last video, this is lighter. Uh, this is only a few changes I need to do. I just need to maintain a new variable to store the previous cache that can I utilize today for the buying it and updating it to like ensure that we can't use the static cache for buying today to ensure that this condition. Okay, so this is the solution, and in next video I will solve the harder version of this problem where we are allowed to do at most k transaction. We will applying the same formula. Let's see in next video there is slighter different just we need to maintain the array of cash and holding where we are allowed only like k transaction at most. So as so far we have seen like we are allowed to as many transaction as we can do, but in harder one we are allowed to only at most k transaction. So we will do in next video. Okay, thank you.